What is going on, guys? It's Mr. Cool here, and welcome to another video inside of Roblox. And today, guys, we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And I discovered this on my main account, and when I discovered it, I was playing it non-stop. The objective of this game is to build a boat for treasure. It's in the name. That's why it's called Build a Boat for Treasure. And I messed up big time. Okay. Let's build this like this. And I'll put one here and one there. Okay. Now let's activate the boat. Yes, I want to launch my boat. So we are going. We're ready. We are off. And wow. So we're green team. And then that guy has a giant boat. I feel like I shouldn't have this little materials because I usually play on a much better account. Also, here I buy more chests, which give me better stuff. Okay, so I can buy a chest, which I'm going to do. And then, if you haven't played this, what you're supposed to do is you build a boat, and these rocks destroy parts of your boat, and if you fall to your boat and the water is basically like poison, it kills you. Okay. Okay, I'm taking a hit. We've taken a hit. No! We've Mr. Cool down. Okay. That's not the best start. But at least we can open up some chests. I got one wood block and another wood block, maybe. Let's see. Two stone blocks. Okay. So no, I'm not sure. Let's see here. So we have this, and then we can sit in this. And then this needs to be stronger at the bottom. Like that. And then we need to do this and that. And we're going to keep building up around me. And then I can do, nope. I can, where'd my block go? And then that goes there, and then I delete. I guess I need to delete both those blocks. And one goes there, and then there's supposed to be. Okay, what's this? Stick with this. Okay, yes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8, 9. Okay, so that. Okay. So I was right. It's not gonna work. Did I even say it was gonna work? I don't know, but oh, hit the mic. Let's see if we can pass the first level. I'm gonna call it because I don't know what to call this. First section. Oh, looks like someone had like. Oh, what was that? Looks like someone had something that fell. Oh no, we're coming on a whole bunch of rocks. Good thing we've got protection on all sides now. Okay, we're doing pretty well. Nice. Okay, that was close. That was very close, actually. This is a beast. What? Okay. I'm gonna maybe get 1 or 2 more of these chests. And then after I get these, I'm going to start work on affording a 15 gold chest. So let's get in here. Okay, so I could go like that and like that. This doesn't look good. Then just one. Okay, I'll go like this then. Okay, so I am not visible anymore. So this is the way to go. So I think I'm gonna survive pretty well with this. Pretty well. Let's see. Oh, look at those beasts. What is that? Oh, there goes the guy's cannons. Let's see if I can maybe get a shot at a one. No, I'm not going to be able to. Okay. We have like the best side, maybe. No, we have the best side going forward. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Doing pretty almost perfect. Yes. No, nobody's joining my team. Let's see. Oh, they're surviving. Oh, this is a gear level. These are the gears from speedrun. Please no. Okay. We're not taking as many hits. No! Okay, I'm gonna need an even stronger boat. So I'm going to buy, actually I'm gonna buy 2 more 5 chests, which I said I was not going to do. And those tables actually are good to add. I think, it was a point. It was a pointy thing. So I'm going to use, can you sit on these? No. That doesn't ruin my plan. Okay. I'm going to put this seat right here. Rotate this, put that right there. Put this here, put that there. Okay. This looks like it's gonna be pretty good. So it it doesn't really match up, but it will. So there we go. And then this point will go just right here. There we go. And let's go. Okay. 8 minutes in. 8 minutes in. And we've had a couple launches. So now that I think about it, look at how weak that is. That looks really weak, but hopefully it actually is very strong. I really wish those guys that tried to run and jump onto my boat, like, please. And okay, it doesn't look like we're actually taking any damage. And I spoke too soon. Okay, so we're just taking a little bit of damage. There's this one area. There's that open area out there. But I don't think I'm taking too much damage. Okay, this area is not that rocky. Like, there's not too many rocks. Okay, gears. Oh no. Oh, yes. No! No! I'm gonna actually only get 15. I'm actually gonna only buy the 15 chest if I end up getting like 15. Or, in this case, I would need to get a certain number to get enough gold. So, let's sit on this again. And maybe the strategy that while I was doing while I was doing the other one was now gonna work. Oh, nope. Nope. I'm trying to concentrate. Concentrated. Okay, this I have a good feeling is going to work. What if I do this? I don't know what that does, but then let's just put a point right here, and we are going. So this is good. It has to be very good. It's not actually too bad. Oh! Okay, so we're doing pretty well. We're surviving pretty good. We're passing yellow's flag. Oh no, there's a whole bunch of rocks. And this whole one's also pretty long. Ooh, we have our strongest side going. Which was our strongest side. Or you might want to call it second strongest. Nope. Yes! Okay. Nothing that hard here. I'm going to fit right between the gap. And perfect. And return the right way. Oh, we're taking a little bit of damage. We're going to get back-to-back hits. And then another gear hit. Maybe like only... We're going to get hit by like 3 more things. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other thing may have taken the hit though, but I just... Ooh. That was super close. I almost just... No! That's enough to buy a 15 and a 5. So let's start out by buying a 5. We got 1 pole, and now we have 15. So we have 5 magma, 1 wood, 1 seat. Okay. So that's some really good stuff we've got up. So I think we're gonna have one more hope at being a successful guy. And I think we're gonna stack these 2 seats. Now I'm level. So then maybe we could like rotate this and put this over like that. And then like rotate that and put it over like that. And that could work. And then like this, and then like that, and like that. We just got so many things we can just... This is going to be the final trip we have. So we haven't hit any rocks yet, which is good. Oh, I don't think we've hit any rocks. I wasn't really paying attention, but we are like lopsided now. That was a really good idea to put that second seat in, because if the top one broke, we had that second seat. The second seat broke, so that's why. I know a steering. I might make a video on another kind of steering glitch. There's a glitch and you can steer, which is pretty cool. But right now I'm taking a whole bunch of hits. I think this is gonna end me. Maybe it will. This is made out of some okay stuff. Come on. No! No, it's behind. No! Okay, we're barely alive, guys. No, it was its last hit. No! And we're gonna open up this and we're gonna end the video. Let's see. 4 of that. 1 wood. And 2. What did we get 2 of? 2 windows. That's all for this video, so peace out.